building?
What are we doing?
Yeah.
We're putting back on the quarter panel.
Whole quarter panel?
Oh yeah.
Cutting it off and replacing it, or?
Yeah, we cut it off. Now we have it welded back on here. All we're doing is grinding down all our welds so we can get some body filler on this and straighten it all out.
Less is more on body filler, right?
Yep.
So what's next after this?
After this, I start doing this.
Oh, look at that.
Taking door skins off.
So what course is this?
What?
What course is this?
Oh, this is collision and refinishing.
Collision refinishing, is this, one or two?
This is the second phase of the course.
Second phase, and then you guys go into paint and body?
Yep.
That's awesome, man. Start to finish, right?
Oh yeah.
What are you guys working on?
Quarter panel.
Quarter panel?
Yeah. Right now I'm just welding up holes and stuff that I accidentally put into it.
Welding?
I'm straightening everything out here, and also that's welding little things that makes some days. So
that's awesome. I'm an auto repair guy. This is outside my my wheelhouse. You guys are the artists, not me.
I actually took 4 years of automotive stuff.
4 years automotive, then you decided to go body?
Yeah.
Awesome.